Smile, Rich. Smile. Smile, Rich, we put on Facebook.
Give me a...
Smiling?
Give me a...
Smile and we put on Facebook.
Give me a...
I'm going like... No, I need just... Where are you going now, Rich? Down there again.
Give a light.
I'm going light. Are you going to smile or not? Are you going to smile for your Facebook? Smile for your Facebook.
Yeah. A lighter.
Where's the lighter?
A lighter. A light I want.
Yeah. Yeah, get light. Yeah, yeah. You're Rich. I flicked it, Rich. Don't. Rich, where's the lighted fag?
Right there. Molly! Where's fag, Molly? Okay, wait there.
No, get the other fag. He had the other fag, trying to like, it's gonna fall on you, Rich. It'll fall on my chair. He's smiling for the camera. No,
what?
He was trying to light. He had one fag in his mouth, and the other one he was trying to light one that wasn't lit onto another. Oh my God, Mitch! You're burning the tablecloth.
Come here, Richie. Come here.
Feminine.
Right, now give us a photo, Rich. No, I need one smiling.
Smile, Richie. Smile, Rich.
I cannot smile.
Here we go.
Big smile, Richie.
No, because I can see free kick coming.
Show how happy you are, Richie.
I'm not happy.
Yeah, you are. Man, you just scored. Oh, fancy Man, you losing. I can't believe that.
Football game.
Can you believe that Man, you lost, Rich?
Well, it doesn't matter if you do it.
It ain't too light,
You
is
might
it?
as well be a Joe instead of a gypsy. So it don't matter for you.
I support Man, you big balls.
It don't matter, I'll do it.
Richard,
It ain't your life, is it? You don't have to
It
cry
is
about
my
it.
life.
Richard, can you believe Man, you lost? Because Gary's gone on crying.
I'm sorry.
What?
Gary's gone in.
I was crying.
Well, now Gary's gone on crying. Can you believe Gary's gone on crying because Man, you lost? Come on, Liverpool!
Next year it'll be Richie.
We're still at each other.
Liverpool is the only one that can play this European football.
Smile for the camera, Richie. Here, man, smile.
Smile, tell him Man U's lost. Yeah, Rich, tell them all on YouTube that Man U's lost. Rich,
You got me.
tell the world that Man U have lost. Rich.
Man U, right, have lost.
Yeah.
But there's a thing to it.
What?
Man United have won.
They haven't.
Reds.
They haven't, Rich. They've lost.
Right, like this. All the way over that way. And all the way over that way. And... everywhere.
What? Rich, Man U's lost.
Why don't we go and beat someone?
What? Where you going?
Beat someone.
Oh, sit down and shut up.
Sit down.
Sit down. Man
only
U,
a pound.
Man U, Man U. Go on, say it. Say it.
We're gonna win.
You've already lost.
We lost.
Yeah.
Maybe not.
Man U have already.
Cantona got a lot.
Man U's lost. Good night. Good bless.
Good
God
night,
bless.
good bless, God bless, whatever you say it. But here's in Northern Ireland, God bless me, I say it. The hills on the border of Northern and Scotland have brought Wales out in a bereavement of allotment.
What? We're talking about Man U, love. What's happened to Man U tonight?
They won.
They have lost.
I don't care, Mum. It's one day. To me, they've won.
What?
To me, they've won.
But they haven't though. They've lost.
They've won.
It doesn't matter about the hair gel, you're supposed to play football as well.
I don't wear hair gel. My hair's gone anyway.
Ronaldo do, though.
Does Ronaldo? Ronaldo. They've lost. I feel sorry.
Like God bless, I bet that we will win with a Terry Shadow on the goal that'll take them to Blim. To Blim of Eggs and Soldier, to Blim of Ignite. To Blim that a traveller's goal will go through the night with hair splits of matcha, of hair splits of gold, to hair splits of a trotting knight that walks through on gold.
What was that?
Dunno. What was that?
Is that my phone?
No.
It's my phone.
They swapped it because Man United lost.
Where's my phone? There.
Who scored out of Man U tonight, Rich?
Man U.
Who scored out of Man U tonight, Rich?
Thank you, Richie.
Man U.